Archaebacteria, by Carlos Cuellar, 10 Grade B. Table of Contents, Statement of Purpose. Introduction. Characteristics of Archaebacteria. Importance of Archaebacteria. Benefits of Archaebacteria. Niche of Archaebacteria. Extremophiles of Archaebacteria. Trophic levels and conclusions. Statement of Purpose. In this video presentation I'm going to talk to you about Archaebacteria, some characteristics and more information describing them. Introduction. Archaebacteria are a group of microorganisms considered to be an ancient form of life that evolved separately from the bacteria and blue-green algae, and they are sometimes classified as a kingdom. Characteristic number 1. Archaebacteria are obligate or facultative anaerobes. They flourish in the absence of oxygen, and that is why only they can undergo methanogenesis. Characteristic number 2. The cell membranes of the Archaebacteria are composed of lipids. Characteristic number 3. The rigid cell wall provides shape and support to the Archaebacteria. It also protects the cell from bursting under hypotonic conditions. Characteristic number 4. The cell wall is composed of pseudomembrane, which prevents Archaebacteria from the effects of lysozyme. Lysozyme is an enzyme released by the immune system of the host, which dissolves the cell wall of pathogenic bacteria. Characteristic number 5. These do not possess membrane-bound organelles such as nuclei, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, lysosomes or chloroplast. Its thick cytoplasm contains all the compounds required for nutrition and metabolism. Characteristic number 6. They can live in a variety of environments and are hence called extremophiles. They can survive in acidic and alkaline aquatic regions, and also in temperature above boiling point. Characteristic number 7. They can withstand a very high pressure of more than 200 atmospheres. Characteristic number 8. Archaebacteria are indifferent towards major antibiotics because they contain plasmids which have antibiotic resistance enzymes. Characteristic number 9. The mode of reproduction is asexual, known as binary fission. Characteristic number 10. The differences in their ribosomal RNA suggest that they diverged from both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Importance of Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria have the capability to produce methane, i.e., are methanogens. They do this by acting on the organic matter and hence decomposing it to release methane. Methane can hence for cooking and lighting purposes, therefore these bacteria act as primary producers. Benefits of Archaebacteria. So far, most archaea are known to be beneficial rather than harmful to human health. They may be important for reducing skin pH or keeping it at low levels, and lower pH is associated with lower susceptibility to infections. Niche of Archaebacteria. In extreme conditions, such as halophilic or acidophilic environments, archaea are well suited for bioremediation. In other conditions, archaea collaboratively work alongside bacteria during biodegradation. Extremophiles of Archaebacteria. Extremophiles are unicellular microbes, bacteria and archaea, that thrive in extreme environments. Many of these belong to archaea, which are considered to be an ancient bridge between bacteria and eukarya. They can be thermophilic, hyperthermophilic, acidophilic, and alkalophiles, etc. Trophic level of Archaebacteria. Starting with Archaebacteria, we can say that they exist in a food web of their own. Halobacterium salinarum, R specimen, is autotrophic and belongs to the first trophic level. Conclusions. Conclusion number 1. Cell membranes of the Archaebacteria are composed of lipids. Conclusion number 2. Archaebacteria helps us to reduce pH on our skin. Conclusion number 3. Archaebacteria are primary producers of energy.